Okay guys, so we got a 2006 BMW 530 Xi. It's 3 liter and it says like all-wheel drive malfunction, flat tire. I think it says like a levels control system malfunction. So we're scanning it, see what we got here. Intelligent battery sensor missing. No message from transmission control module. That's for the ECM. ECM solenoid. Okay, so they're not worried about that. They want to get the level fixed because this thing's down. Compressor relay current. See that? 5F97. Compressor relay. Because if you look, the car is like aired out. I had to hook my jumper cables up, so I got my aluminum cables hooked up, seeing if we can get the battery charged up a little bit because the battery is dead. We're gonna go after this compressor relay. So let's see, where does this thing live? It doesn't even tell me on here. So I got the Mitchell diagram. We got our main fuse, which feeds into the relay, and then comes down. This is for the air suspension, and there's a dynamic drive suspension circuit too. So we're gonna go after this relay right here. I don't know if we have any like bi-directional controls. Actuation test. So we got fill for the rear. Does this only have rear? Huh. Okay. Wait. Is there special functions? Check compressor. Let's see. Perform. I heard an activation noise. Okay, so we're gonna go look for this relay. I hear a noise. I don't know what it is when I do that. So I'm gonna look to see where this relay is. Okay, guys. So this relay lives underneath the spare tire. So we got to go in the trunk and get that. Oh, guys, look at this. And then look what I saw. There's a relay right there. I wonder if that's the relay. I'm gonna see if I can get this stuff out of here. Maybe we don't have to take the sub box out. Guys, look at this mess. Somebody hacked this all up. So now I gotta find out which one's the compressor control relay. Look how rusty this thing is. This thing's really hot right here. It looks like the wire's coming out of it. Okay guys, so this relay right here, when you put this in, it clicks on. See that? I don't know if you heard that. So it clicks on. So I don't know if this is the right relay. Hear it? Like they have a schematic on the side, just like the diagram, and it shows this line here connecting. I don't know why, and they show this. So I think they're doing some kind of sensing and stuff, and it might just be the wrong relay. Like you gotta be careful with some of these European relays. I'm gonna see if we can like bypass this and get this to turn on. I'll see if I can put like a headlight bulb or something in there. Okay, so looking at this diagram, we got 6 and 2. Which is our red and blue and our black and yellow right here, and they go down to our compressor right here. Okay, so that's right there, and then we got our relay control, which is our brown and blue and red. And look at this, so our brown and blue and red have our test light lit up, so that is good. So that's why that relay is on. So now have to check. Let's see. So 86 and 85 should be our controls. And that is not the right relay for this, and that is why I think. Let's see. I have a feeling that this is 85 down here. So these are laid out differently. Yeah, you see that? 30. 86 is sideways. So this relay will never work for this car because they're different. So this is our main, this is our load. 30 is your load. 87 is your power. So those two right there. So if you look at this one, our load are these two. So this relay will never work. It has the wrong relay in it. Hopefully they didn't damage anything with it. Let's go get a bypass leads. I'm gonna get some heavier bypass leads and we'll jumper this. Okay guys, so I got a fuse jumper here, 50 amp fuse in here. We're protected up here, 40 amps. So I'm not worried about making that smaller. It's not gonna hurt anything. But you guys gotta reach out to AES Wave for these. These are, I call them Rob's Godzilla leads, because I use a 100 amp fuse and everything in here. So we're gonna connect these up. We'll put, which one is it? This one. So we want our black. Let's put that in the wrong one. So there we go. We'll put it in there, and we'll put this one in the other side. We'll put this one in here. And I hear the compressor turn on. Listen to that. So we'll see if the car starts going up. I don't know if the car will start going up, or we gotta do check raise function. Let's see. Just trying to see if we can get the car up, and then we can change everything. Let's see. How did we go back into that other one? Let's see, air springs. Is it filling anything? Oh, there we go. We're going up. Look at that. So I don't know how high they want this. I guess that's as high as it goes right there. So we'll go back and we'll fill the rear right. And there we go. There's that one. Let's disconnect this. I don't know how long this compressor can run for. But look at that. We figured it out. I'm going to see if there's anything for the front. Let me look to see if there is a left rear, right rear. Oh, so maybe this only has rear height control. Oh, I guess this only has rear. Yeah, so there we go. So we found the issue. We proved what it is. It's controlling the relay. Just has the wrong relay. Hope you guys like it. See you later. Okay guys, we got another relay right here. Let's put our relay in. I cleaned this all up. There we go. So we're gonna go turn the car on. Let me go get my scan tool. Okay, so let's turn the key on. Let's load this BMW back up. So we're gonna have to wait for this to reconnect. So we'll do that and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so we're gonna go in the electronic ride height control. Let's get an actuation test. Air spring. Actually, wait, let's see. Can we just turn the compressor on? Let's see, special functions. Check compressor relay. Let's see. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. We fixed it. I hope you guys like it. See you later.